Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the hypothetical scenario of what would happen if our sun were to explode. We will take you on a journey through the possible outcomes and effects of such an event. So, let's get started. The sun is stable, and it is expected to remain so for several billion years. However, if the sun were to explode, the consequences would be severe and far-reaching. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the possible outcomes and effects of such an event. At the moment of the sun's explosion, a massive amount of energy would be released into space. This energy would travel at the speed of light and would have a significant impact on all the planets in our solar system. The energy would take only 8 minutes to reach Earth, and the effects would be devastating. The first thing that would happen is that the Earth would be instantly destroyed. The energy released would be enough to vaporize our planet and everything on it. There would be no chance of survival. If we consider the other planets, the effects would vary depending on their distance from the Sun. Planets closer to the Sun, such as Mercury and Venus, would be completely obliterated. Mars, being farther away, might survive the initial explosion but would eventually succumb to the extreme radiation and heat. The outer planets, such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, would also feel the impact of the explosion. However, they might survive the initial blast, but the absence of the sun would cause them to drift off into space. Now, let's take a look at the long-term effects of the sun's explosion. Without the sun, the solar system would become a dark and lifeless place. The absence of the sun's gravity would cause the planets to drift off into space, and the temperature would drop drastically. The sun's explosion would also release a massive amount of cosmic rays and radiation into space. This radiation would have a severe impact on any life forms in the vicinity of the explosion. It would cause mutations and genetic damage, making it impossible for any life to survive. However, there is one planet in our solar system that might survive the sun's explosion. That planet is Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Europa is covered by a thick layer of ice, and it is believed that there might be a vast ocean of liquid water beneath the ice. If this is true, Europa might be the only place in our solar system where life could survive after the sun's explosion. In conclusion, the sun's explosion would be a catastrophic event that would have severe consequences for our solar system. While the chances of it happening are slim, it is essential to understand the potential outcomes and effects of such an event. The destruction of the Earth and the other planets in our solar system would be inevitable, and the long-term effects of the explosion would be devastating. Europa might be the only place where life could survive after such an event. We hope that this video has helped you understand the possible scenarios that could arise if our sun were to explode. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.